Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 20th of September, Wednesday, and it's just after 9 o'clock. We'll start off this morning with oil. This is Western Texas indices. We've actually gapped a little bit higher this morning and we're just above the 50. I view this as a pretty good sell from here, and I'm waiting for the RSI to actually break through the trend line down on the chart here. So we are actually just above resistance. So I would hang about a bit and just make sure that it breaks down below this resistance line here. That's a weekly resistance line. Silver. Silver came down really nicely. We're virtually back up to entry at the moment. This is a little bit of resistance that we're coming up to right now. So I'm going to wait and just make sure that it breaks down below. But this does look a really nice sell. We're below the 50 on the RSI. Really, as long as we stop below the 50, basically it's sideways movement. So we'll see how that goes during the week. USD, Japanese yen. Sorry if I'm going a bit quickly, but the shorter I make these, the better, the easier it is to upload. We've had this really nice upturn on this, and I've come up against resistance, and I am looking for this now to actually turn back down. We've had the bombs going over Japan, giving us weakness here, and it does appear now like maybe it's topped out. I'm looking for the RSI to cross the trend line, so we'll just hang fire until that happens. Euro USD, we've had a little bit of upside in this, not a lot. So we are expecting this to fail, and we're expecting the dollar to get stronger later this week. We do have, I think it's this afternoon, we've got the interest rate and the FOMC meeting, so we'll see what happens there. That's about 1 o'clock GMT. USD Canadian dollar. We have seen a little bit of strength in this. We've come up off the bottom. Obviously now we've got a little bit of strength back in the oil. Maybe the Canadian dollar will come back a little bit. I can't see much more than sideways movement here. The oil, I'm sorry, I feel is way overbought where it is, and I'm expecting it to come back down. And the dollar is oversold. So in the long term, I'm expecting this to turn back up. Pound USD, I've actually shorted this. I shorted it a couple of days ago. It's come down off the highs. I've got a stop behind it. I'm expecting it to fall off. I'm expecting strength in the dollar and for this to come back down. We actually broke the trend line when I put my trade in, which is nice. We're still above the 69.1. We're at 71.2. I am expecting this to come back down, but no biggie if it doesn't, because it'll just knock me out. AUD US dollar, a bit of strength again in the Australian dollar this morning. Actually, the Australian dollar Japanese yen is looking at a far better trade. This is caught between these two monthly support and resistance lines. I really am expecting this to fall hard sometime this week, but it's not really moving that much, but it just will not go down at the moment. But as I say, I'm expecting it to move this week, so we'll have a look a bit better at that on Friday. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. Sorry the videos take such a long time to upload. Sometimes I can only do one a day, but I'll do my best with them. Thank you. Cheers now. Bye.